Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening QuickShare on your phone. This is the app that negotiates a fast connection. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on because QuickShare uses both to discover devices quickly. Once done, tap the Share button on the file you want to send and select QuickShare from the share sheet. You should see nearby devices or contacts. If you want a QR code instead, proceed to the next step to access the device pairing and QR option. Once QuickShare lists devices, look for the Overflow menu, the 3 dots or More button, because the QR code feature is tucked there to avoid accidental sharing. Tap it and choose Show QR Code or use QR to connect. This converts the pairing handshake into a scannable code so the recipient can use their camera. Make sure your visibility setting matches your intent. Everyone, contacts, or private. Otherwise, the QR option might be disabled for security reasons. Now hand the receiving device to the other person and have them open their camera or QuickShare scan mode. The camera will read the QR quickly if it's well centered. Once scanned, you'll both see a confirmation prompt, accept it to start the transfer, and then watch the progress indicator. If the code won't show or scan, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are active, toggle visibility, or restart QuickShare. These steps clear transient discovery glitches and usually resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.